Hello, Howland Hoover. This is Mr. Hain. This video goes along with second grade's honeybee project. So I'm going to show you in this video how we're going to kind of make this fun illustrated version of a honeybee. Of course, if you have your own version or your own way that you want to draw one, that's totally fine. I'm just going to show you this drawing it with pencil. When you go into coloring it, again, you can use whatever your favorite medium is, crayons, markers, or colored pencils, whatever you want to do, but I'm going to show you how we can draw this version, okay? All right, let's get started. Bring you in here. Now, the honeybee I thought would be kind of fun, one, because it's spring and now the bees are starting to come out because of the flowers. And bees play a really vital role in the pollination of the plants, which then of course makes more plants that we need and nature needs. So we're going to kind of do a little tribute to the honeybee by drawing one. All right, so for this, what I'm going to start with is a circle, and again lightly so I can erase it. I'm going to make mine a little darker just so you guys can see on film. Circle for the head. Okay, I'm going to have to add like a little bit of mouth here later, but I make a circle. Then I'm going to make the body a little bigger. Okay, that I'm going to eventually make fuzzy. And then down here, where like the stinger would be, it's kind of an oval like shape. Or lemon shape. Kind of looks like a lemon right now. Alright, so for this I'm going to give my honeybee large eyes. So what I want to do here in the head shape, that's not going all the way to the edge of the circle of the head, but right before it, I'm going to draw this large oval for one eye. Then here at the top, I'm going to draw in a little highlight. Then on this side, about the same height over, so you can go over with your pencil, I'm going to make my other eye. It's going to be like this. I'm going to have my highlight. Now, for the little mouth part that I think looks, kind of cute for this drawing, is I'm going to come down from this eye. Just kind of make like a little triangle point shape that comes back and then curve up so it looks like he's smiling into the, like right about here of the eye. So that's how far you're going to make it come in. Then I draw like the bottom part here and have the head. I also am opting to give my bee little antenna, so I draw a line that comes up, curves down a little end here. The other one would be here, like that. Okay, so I got the eyes and the head. Now for the body part, the center part, what I'm going to do is kind of make this fuzzy. So what I'm going to do is just make this kind of, jaggedy zigzag line. Makes it look a little furry. I can maybe put a couple little furry spots here. Then for the back part with the stinger, come down. I'm not going to make his stinger overly exaggerated. You can put a little stinger here, and then they usually have the bands of color. Now honeybees aren't nearly as prominent as like a yellow jacket that we have here, but it kind of really gives the idea of the little bee. So then for the wings, they kind of have these large oval shapes. So we draw one here. This one's going to come out this way. Then the pattern on the inside of the wings, you can draw like the different veins if you want. They're going to come through here. Then for the arms and legs, they have 6 arms and legs, but I'm going to just give my bee 4. And I'm actually going to almost just make them like lines. So I have a line that comes down from the body here, kind of like this. And the other one would come out this way and then back in, and you see that. Now below this bee, I'm putting a flower. You could do any type of flower you want. You could just have your bee flying. You could draw clouds and color the background blue. If I do a flower, I'm going to draw an oval like this, a really flat oval for the center of the flower. In my first drawing, I made the petals, jaggedy, but I am going to make this one rounded. So I draw an oval. It's going to kind of go behind the bee. The other oval is coming out here. Draw a center line. I think the center line is very helpful in this scenario when you're making flowers, because that kind of tells us the shape. So if you're not sure, if I draw my oval, if I put my center line, it's like, okay, now I know that's the general shape and the direction of the petal. So this one would be here, center line that would come out. Then I'd have the stem that would come down. Okay, so that's my honeybee. From here, again, if you want to add, backgrounds of clouds or trees, you certainly can do that. But this is just a general start. And again, I'm going to leave it up to you guys on how you want to color it. Make sure that you go in and you erase certain lines. So I'd erase this part of the body that goes behind the head. Inside that eye, I want to make sure I carefully erase those lines before you go ahead and color it. This one, erase any of those first circle lines and any rogue lines that you have that have gone out here. Okay? All right, guys, keep up the awesome work. I'll be excited to see what you make for this one. All right, see you later.